Top Microwave Chef, presented by White Castle. 6 microwave chefs will heat, reheat, and defrost 5 microwave-safe dishes. In an epic button-pushing smackdown, where only one will be crowned Top Microwave Chef.
I am Lola Lopez, and this is Roger Kensington, Executive Chef at the Royal Microwave Institute of London.
I'll be watching the candidates every single move, and if any one of them so much as overcooks a slider by 1 second, they'll be off.
The winner of Top Microwave Chef will win a cash prize, be featured in Microwave Monthly, and have the opportunity to really change their life. So, let's get cooking!
Let's meet the contestants.
I am so proud to represent Roswell, the home of tapioca pudding.
I need to win this for my abuelita. Dios mío.
They did not have any kale in Costa Rica. So what I would like to do is bring kale to all the Costa Rica yoga retreats.
I'm here because microwaving really changed my life. I was like, you know what, this gangster lifestyle ain't for me no more.
I feel like I'm a dog that just got unleashed from his leash.
I donate to many sperm banks, as a matter of fact.
Celebrity guest judge.
Petrit has written many best-selling books, including The Hot Dog and the Dragon, and that's microwavable.
Let me tell you guys something. I've used microwaves on every continent, so you better f***ing wow me.
Today's challenge is the White Castle Original Slider.
There's nothing I love more than microwaves and White Castle. So, don't f*** it up.
Contestants, your 3 minutes starts now. Get microwaving! 30 seconds left.
I'm done.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The microwave has spoken.
So you didn't turn the microwave on?
Absolutely not.
I think microwaving is an art, as you may know from my cookbook, Drive-By Cooking.
I'm actually more of a traditionalist. I prefer my meat between buns.
The yoga butt. Give it a little squeeze. Oh,
It's very cold.
Looks a bit like a roadkill.
Pero esta estúpida, she kept with her stupid humming and it was distracting me, but anyway.
That's amazing. Look at this. Thank you.
That's fantastic. It's what it should taste like.
I mean, I love this burger.
He knew what buttons to press at the right time, which is critical in microwaving.
Exactly, Roger.
Yoga girl, I was very shocked.
Whatever. Can we please look at the best one? I mean, delicious and with a message.
I think we've made our decision. Jenny, we were initially worried when you turned in a pre-cooked frozen slider. I mean, that's a crazy idea, and it paid off. Good job.
Namaste.
Maria, the judges felt that you allowed other people in the kitchen to throw you off your game. It rocked your confidence, and your slider suffered.
Todd, I was really, really disappointed and slightly embarrassed for you.
Los judges have spoken. Todd, Maria, you're on the hot seat.
Que no me boten de este show, por favor. Que no me boten de este show, por favor.
That guy Petrit's kind of a dick.
Maria. Todd. Maria. Todd. Maria. You don't have what it takes to be top microwave chef.
Maria, estás terminada.
Estúpida!
Whatever, I'll just go to another cooking show.
Scenes from next week.
I got the microwave.
Calm down, bro.
Do it for American contestants. Do it for Bobby Bob.
subscribe to #Parody to check out next week's episode because you don't want to miss any of this. And if you want to laugh some more, check out our other videos here.